tubers, look what we got here. We got a little Harley Davidson M50. It's a two-stroke. It's a 1966. It's my girlfriend's family's. Her stepmom said she used to ride it as a kid. Looks in pretty decent shape. Got some rust on the wheels and stuff. Tires probably need to be replaced. Took the spark plug out and put a little two-stroke oil in the cylinder and just kind of ran it up and down. It's not seized or anything, which is really good news. The pipe's in really good shape. Everything seems to be here. The seat is beautiful. No tears or rips or anything. The biggest thing would be the gas tank, of course. It's completely dry. There's definitely rust in there, but we're going to take the necessary steps to try to repair it. I think it's got like 2,700 miles. A little speedometer, that's cool. I mean, I've never worked on a Harley before, but you know, it's a little moped. It should be pretty easy to get going. It's got like a little gear indicator up here for like first. That's neutral, I believe. So it spins, and then you can go to like third, for instance, or no, that's first. It should lock up. Yep. So it looks like that's operating properly. It's got a little tail light on it, license plate holder. I'll have to adjust the brakes. They're kind of it goes a little too far, but that's simple. We'll definitely need a wash. You can see the crap that's all on it and everything. But I already took the carburetor off. Carburetor's over here. That's gonna need some serious cleaning. So it looks like you do pre-mix in the tank. That is what came out of it. There's probably some more in there. Doesn't look like there's any dents or anything. It's just, it's dirty and needs to be cleaned. The inside is, it's decent. It can be repaired. So I got rust remover soap. I'm gonna fill it up and leave it in there for a couple days. Swish it around a little bit. I did the same thing to my R5 tank before I painted it. That turned out beautiful. I used Metal Rescue in that though. I haven't used that product before, but it's probably gonna do the same thing. But yeah, you know, I like working on the vintage stuff, as you can tell. And this one seems simple enough to get going. First, we're gonna do the gas tank. We're gonna test for spark. I took the spark plug out just so I can get the little bit of two-stroke oil in there. As you know, it might be a little rusty in there, I don't know, but so that's good news right there. So just for shits and giggles, let's see if these tires hold air. They're Pirelli tires. Wow. Really? Alright, it's pumping up. I'm using my $5 little pump I got from Bryce's like 10 years ago. Still works. It's holding air. Alright. Let's go to the back. I don't think we're getting as lucky with the back. So supposedly, this thing sat for like 30 years. It's a long freaking time. That's amazing. Alright. Sweet. I guess the real test would be to see if it holds the air overnight. Yep. Could be worse, but it's definitely something I can work with. The petcock is stuck. I sprayed some WD-40 on this to see if it could like loosen up. I don't want to break it. We don't need to do anything with that right now. So we'll let that sit. I'm gonna keep track of what I spend on this. 66 Harley Davidson M50, $28 so far. That was for the WD-40 rust removal bath. Looks like I don't need to get tires yet. We're gonna see how these hold up in the morning. They're not too dry rotted or nothing. They're pretty decent. We're gonna clean the spark plug and we're gonna test for spark. That's gonna be the next thing. So I'm just gonna get some sandpaper, go in between the little electrode thing and the little metal tab. Cleaner than what it was. Should work. So test for spark now. I assume at some point this thing had a key, just based on there's like a little steering lock, but there's not like an ignition or anything. So if this works, I'm probably gonna get shocked pretty good, but it's all right. I'll do it for you guys. Yep, right away. I don't know if you can see it, but oop, got shocked. Yep, that's good spark right there. So we got compression. It's not seized. We got spark. We just need to clean the carburetor and let the gas tank do its work. I don't see any reason why this shouldn't run, so we're gonna continue on with it. Raining pretty good. Alright, let's move on to the carburetor. Just take this thing apart, see what we're working with. Sometimes you really gotta be careful working on this old shit because things break. Oh yeah, look at that. Damn. Oh man, look at that. That's a beaut. Wow. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. What else we got? Got that. Now once all this stuff is done cleaning itself, I'm gonna go ahead and my compressor's not working, but I do have like cans of duster that you clean your keyboards and shit with. So that's what I'll use to blow out all the little holes. Alright, so pretty much everything right now is as clean as it's gonna get with the stuff that I have in my garage, but it turned out pretty damn nice. Boom! A lot better than what it was, huh? All the internals are cleaned. Should be enough to get her going. I think gas will flow through nicely. Only one way to find out. We're gonna start the reassembly process now that the carb is clean, now that we have spark. I'm not gonna do any further cleaning, brake adjustments, wheel adjustments, anything like that. I just want to make sure it runs. I'm gonna try to start it. I'm gonna somehow get gas into the carb. I think what we got going on here is pretty good so far. It's not a total piece of shit, and it's sat inside for so long, covered. This is actually in really, really good shape. I really don't want to paint anything. Maybe like get all the rust off the wheels. All right, so that's in there. This just popped up. And it kind of locks down, and I guess when you pull the throttle cable it kind of pops up. It could be a choke, it probably is, and I guess it's like a self-release. See that action? It looks like this is the float bowl. I have a feeling if I fill that up with gas, we might be able to start it. I don't know, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I think this is like a little prime or something. Maybe. I'm gonna prime it anyway, if that's what this is. I think that's the choke. Push that down, and I guess we're gonna try to start it. gonna run, boy. Look at that. Lights work. Hell yeah. Well, I guess that answers the question. Will it run? Yes, it will. Now we can go into cleaning. We can go into changing the oil and monitoring the gas tank for the next couple days. That's really cool. We'll need to do some brake adjustment, clean and lube the chain. That's badass.